He walked because I put my hand out. He
Really?
thinks I'm going to feed to him.
Hi. Oh,
Well, he might be like 100 years old.
he's not shy. Oh
Well,
my
he's big. He's the
God.
big mama.
What's different to
Big
the other?
daddy.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got a different shell.
I think it's a baby.
Oh, hi. Hello. And, yung isa doon, no, nakatago siya sa loob. Hello. Ito oh, parang may niyog-niyog. Ano ba to? Niyog ba to or niyog-niyogan? Ito naman to. Dito na naman tong tanim na to na mahal doon. Mahal yung bili natin dyan sa Pinas. Meron dyan, ang dami sa taas. O yan, tingnan niya. Hello. Nakatago lang siya, shy siya. Pero yung isa doon, lakad ng lakad. Eh, yung dalawa, oh. Hello.